Ready?
Ready.
So we take out the peg and chalk it all the way and put the chalk and the peg one side. Then we take the string and check it for any kinks. Now this is kink free, so that is a good string. Now we take one end of the string and about couple of inches, and we have already investigated the langoti, so not too big. If it is say, this big, then it's no good. If it's on the other hand, say you make it so tight, then this will not go in the langoti. So you just take roughly the correct size, so this is correct size, and then turn 3 times anti-clockwise, keeping this 90 degrees. 90 degrees is very important. And then the smaller bit, put through this loop and bend it backward and bring it again to 90 degrees. And now again turn 5 times anti-clockwise this loop. And see, again it's 90 degrees. And holding the small piece like this, cut, holding the cutting edge at the bottom. And the small piece which you are holding, then throw it in the bin. And now check that this string is still kink free. And then with the relevant place where the peg was, start weaving it under the frets, all the time making sure that the string never comes over any of the frets. Bit fiddly job, but not very difficult. And then get it under the bridge and put on the langoti, push it back as far as, and then get it next to the first string and put it on this cut here. And now the other end of the string, put it through that hole and push it few inches. Then using this tool pull through, which I'll give you one, pull it back. And so now take the peg, and there is a hole here in the peg, put through that hole, put second time, about ½ inch, and then bend that ½ inch and pull it back so that, and now holding the string with your right hand, pull the string so the peg comes near the hole. Put the peg in the hole, make sure that the other end of the peg is resting in the darn correctly, then turn it anti-clockwise, keep turning. So all the excess string is being wound around the peg. Now, while we were doing this string somehow jumped here, so we get it back, just make it little loose. All strings have to sit in the middle there. Yeah. here. Yeah. So 2 strings are done.